Hi everyone, my name is Jordan with Team Polyplexus, and today we're going to review how to vote and discuss ideas in the ARPA H brackets. After logging in using your Polyplexus username and password, you're going to click on the Brackets tab, which will bring you to this screen. Note that in this example version I am showing you, it is a demo. So when you log in, you will see the actual live bracket with real ideas listed on the outside columns. To interact and view ideas before voting, you can look at any of the focus areas and click on the first round ideas. For example, you can hover over any entry to see the full submission. Or you can click on them. So I'm going to click on this top idea. When I click on it, I can see the name of the person who submitted, the entry idea, and the evidence that was submitted. I can then choose to leave a comment and then press this purple submit button down at the bottom to start a discussion or respond to others. Once I'm ready to actually cast my vote, I can X out of this and press on the pink vote button on the top of my screen. When you press that button, this screen will appear. Notice on the left that the focus area is listed. So for this example, it is the Health Science Futures focus area. You will then see the two ideas that are competing head to head. I can read the name, evidence, and idea, compare it to the competing idea, press select, and then cast my vote once my final decision is made. If I need more time to decide, I can always press the skip button or exit the screen completely. Once you press vote, you want to make sure that you see a green confirmation bar at the bottom of your screen. You can then advance through the bracket, voting for your favorites in each pairing. If you decide you want to change your vote or press an idea by accident, you can always go to the Edit Votes button on the bottom of your screen. When I press this, it will take me to this screen where I can delete my votes. Again, be sure that you see a green confirmation bar at the bottom of your screen. As a voting session closes and the bracket gets smaller, you will be able to come back and vote in the next round until a final winner is selected. Make sure to tune into the Polyplexus social channels for updates and reminders, and visit the ARPA H website for more information about their mission. Thank you.